Hey there, we are doing an unboxing video for the new Kickstarter MHI Monster Hunter International miniature game. I already opened the big box that it came in. So in there was this challenge coin. Get out of the package here real quick. And nice and substantial, very nice quality. It's about the same as if you are a regular purchaser of from the swag store for Monster Hunter. Very nice. And we have a pin. Two pins on the back, so relatively secure when you put it on. I got the everything in and did not elect for more miniatures. I stayed with the t-shirts. We have a embroidered patch, Evil Looms, Cowboy Up, Kill It, Get Paid, and a sticker, same thing. And the t-shirts that came with it. We have Monster Hunter International Miniatures game. That was one t-shirt. And the Evil Looms, Cowboy Up, Kill It, Get Paid. And everything epic. I do believe that is Earl. It's got Thompson machine guns. He's got dog tags. And he's smoking. Alright. This looks like the primary box. This is extremely heavy. I'd say this feels like it weighs about at least 10-15 pounds. Alright. Let's go ahead and open it up. Do this without damaging the box. Take the plastic wrap off. Nice print job on the box. Alright. Important note to Monster Hunters, thank you for backing the MHI Miniatures game. Please be aware the quantities of miniatures and characters listed in the rulebook are incorrect due to the inclusion of additional stretch goal miniatures characters in this edition of the game. We truly appreciate your support. We can't create epic games without fans like you. Special thanks to Larry Korea for crafting an amazing world of monster hunting for us to enjoy. Alright, Monster Hunter International Rulebook. Nice size. I'm not going to, other than kind of showing the printing thing, I'm not going to do too much because if you like it, get the game. I realize it's out there already. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it in the future, but it looks nice. Alright, so we got counters here. Double-sided. More counters. Also double-sided. And we have terrain maps. Oops, sorry. Alright, so this is 2x3 square size. Side 1 and side 2. Folds up nicely. We got going to break the band on here. We have Owen, Holly, Infernal Scout, single-sided, Oliver Chadwick Gardinier, Julie Shackelford, Edward, Infernal Soldier, Overpowered Larry, and Corinna, Ancient Evil, John Jermaine Jones, Trip, Lord Machado, or Machado, I remember how it says it in the story, Milo Anderson, Gunsmith, Shoggoth, Extra Dimensional Blob, also, I don't know if that's Mr. Trashbags in one form or another. Genome is in here, and Earl Harbinger. Yep, I was right on who it was. Alright. We got a spacing tray here, and cards. We have dice, and miniatures. Looks like they'll be fun to paint. Nice detail on them. Let's see. I'm going to try and do a nice up-close one here. But yeah, nice detail. All right. And that is it. Looks like most of the weight is from the cardboard and the paper. But it does look like it stores nicely. All right, let's put these back here. Oh, and on the right side here is, I'm assuming, for the counters once they're punched out of their respective boards. All right. Alrighty. This back. Alright, that is box one. Oops. Dropped it, sorry. And we have box two. Can you tell this is my first unboxing video? Alright. Alright, Monster Hunter International Classified. An expansion adding new factions, strategy, and miniatures for more epic gameplay. Requires core game to play. Alright, 2 players, ages 14 plus, 60 to 90 minutes. Alright, so we have a lore book. MCB. Alright. We have Franks, Dwayne Myers, Grant Jefferson, Douglas Stark, Stricken, and Susan Shackelford, Gargoyle, Whites, Raymond Shackelford, and Heather Kirkkonen. Alright, let's... We got some more cards, more dice. Ooh. Somebody with way too many tentacles for fingers. Similar nice quality for detail. And that is it. So, haven't had a chance to play it, obviously, just barely got it. But it looks like it should be fun. Let's go ahead and get these back here. So, this is what you get in the game. I'm looking forward to playing it. I will read the rules and whatnot. But I've also been looking for an opportunity to get back into painting miniatures for less than the cost of a Games Workshop thing. But let me bring things back into focus. Sorry about that. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like this or you like my voice, please join me on one of my braiding streams. It was a wonderful to have you on. And as always, everybody, stay safe and happy braiding.